Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see different generations of the computers. There are 4 different generations. The very first generation used was known as the first generation computers. The first generation computers used valves as their basic building block, and UNIVAC was the very first commercially known computer, the computer which was made for the commercial purpose. And ENIAC is the next one. The full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. Again, this uses valves for their process. And ENIAC is known as the first electronic computer. ENIAC, UNIVAC were the two different computers, popular computers among the first generation computers. The valve is an electronic device. Valve is an electronic device which was used for manufacturing these computers. Let us see the second generation computers. The second generation computers uses semiconductors instead of valves, semiconductor devices. The valves were replaced by transistors in this case. Transistor is a small electronic component which uses less space and energy in comparison with the valves. Because of the invention of the transistor, the size and the durability of the computers were increased tremendously. Next we see the third generation computers. In the third generation computers, most of the transistors were replaced by integrated circuit or IC. The full form of IC is integrated circuit. Integrated circuit means many components, electronic components like transistors, capacitors, resistors, inductors, etc. were built into a small silicon chip. Everything integrated. A circuit is integrated into a small integrated chip. The size of the chip will be very small, and of course the energy consumed also comparatively lesser than that of the transistors. The size of the third generation computers were very less. It was more reliable and durable than that of the second generation computers. And again, after the third generation, the fourth generation comes with the development of large scale integration ICs, very large scale integration ICs, even ultra large scale integration ICs. The integrated circuits were made small in size with more components in it, more circuit and more components in it. And in the fourth generation computer, the basic component used is microprocessor. Microprocessor is a special IC made using ULSI or VLSI, so that many components are built into a small chip, and most of the computers functionalities are built into the same IC, same single IC chip. The most popular microprocessors available today are AMD and Intel companies microprocessors. AMD stands for Advanced Micro Devices, and they are manufacturing microprocessors like AMD, Athlon, and Intel is manufacturing microprocessors like Pentium and the versions of Pentium. The fourth generation computers are the ones which we are using nowadays, including the laptop, desktop, palm tops, and all the kinds of computers which we are using in the present days. And the next stage of generation of computers is the fifth generation of computers. It is yet to be developed completely. Fifth generation computers employs the use of artificial intelligence. The computer should possess a thinking capacity, a reasoning capacity, a self-learning capacity. In the present days computers, the programmer, system developer have to design all the programs, then only the computer will be able to do its work. But in the case of fifth generation computer system, the system itself will be made able to reason by itself. It will be able for reasoning by itself. It can make its own programs. It will be learning new things, and it will be getting its own information, and it will be having a great knowledge base so that it can independently work by itself. These are all the five different generations of the computers. First generation, the computers with walls. Second generation, the computers with semiconductor transistors. Third generation with ICs, integrated circuits. Fourth generations with large scale integrated microprocessors. The one which we are using nowadays is fourth generation of computers. The fifth generation computers uses artificial intelligence. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video.